Hey, what's going on, you guys? Trev Bucheri here with Core Capacity Transformations, here with your weight loss tip of the week. Hope you are absolutely killing it today. Let's get right into it. This week's weight loss tip of the week is going to be planning and weight loss. So, planning is everything. If you're failing to plan, you're planning to fail, and we're talking about food prep, right? So food prep is basically confidence. Food prep is basically certainty at the end of the day. I just want to show you, people ask me all the time, hey, do you really pack all your food? Do you really get all your shit together like that? Absolutely. Does my wife help me out? 100%. Thank you, honey. I love you. So check it out. There it is right there. I just kind of prepped it for you guys. Got my big old salad. Got everything I need in here, I think, for the next like 3 or 4 meals, which is plenty of time for me to get home. You see my Stubbs barbecue sauce in there? Oh, absolutely. I love my condiments. I also love this stuff right here. It's a little sriracha sauce. But anyways, at the end of the day, without this, I don't have my confidence. Oh, my salad's falling. Without that, you know what I mean? I'm basically kind of thinking about, oh shoot, you know, I'm gonna fall off, and it distracts me. I'm not able to keep my focus the same way. Again, failing to plan, planning to fail. Planning is everything when it comes down to weight loss, and if we're basically not getting ourselves in a position to have the right foods to succeed, as soon as we actually jump off the deep end, let's just say, and eat something that's not on our regimen, in terms of if we're on a strict program and we say, hey, I've got these goals, I'm gonna get here, and I need to eat this. This is actually on my plan to do this. This is what's gonna get it there for me. And we don't have that material, and we start to actually eat something else, then immediately it gets to our mindset, and we start to actually, you know, through the ripple effect, chain react, and start to disassemble. And basically we start to lose our structure, and basically all hell breaks loose. So that's what it's all about, you guys. Planning and weight loss. Not only your goal setting, but actually the doing. The doing with the nutrition is going to be a huge home run for you guys. So hope you got a ton out of this today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Trev Bucheri here with Core Capacity Transformations. Have an outstanding, inspired rest of your day.